In an earlier video, I gave you a brief overview of what you can do in the My Efact interface. Now I'm going to show you some more of what's possible with My Efact. I'm going to start by clicking the My Efact icon on my desktop, which brings me to the abccompany.myefact.com login page. From here, I'm going to log in as Efact. When you click Browse, by default it sorts documents by the date created. This is the date the document was added to the Efact system. This means the latest things scanned in will be on top. You can sort by any of the other fields too, just by clicking on the header of the field. But a lot of the time you don't want to see all the documents. You only want to see the documents for a particular client. This means you'll want to use search. Here I can type Smith in the name field and hit enter. Now the file for that customer comes up. Within the results, I can sort by any of my indexing fields. If I want, I can also specify multiple search parameters. And I can also search with quotes for exact matches. When I click on a document in the Browse screen or the search results, I come to that document's document screen. From here, I can view the document, I can burn it to a CD. When you burn to CD, you need a blank CD-R media and a burner in your PC. You'll also need software that can burn ISO files. There's a great free program called imgburn that you can install from www.imgburn.com. You can also burn a group of documents by doing a search, choosing Select All, and then clicking the Burn button. Note, you can also use a blank CD with your company logo printed on it. This gives a very professional look when you give a file to a client on a custom printed CD. So if we go back to our document, we also have the delete button. Now the Efact uses a two-part delete system, which means that even once this document's deleted, it goes to a recycle bin that the admin then has to delete to remove the document permanently. The history button tells us the history of everything that was done with this document. For instance, on this document, you can see that I tried to burn it to CD a couple times, I viewed it, and the administrator user also viewed it. The move button allows you to move the document to a different folder. The discussion button, the discussions are like sticky notes for documents. If I click New Discussion and say here, call me, say, talk to me before sending this to the client. Now, anytime someone goes to that document, they'll see this big red discussion present sign. If they click on that, they'll see the note about the document.